7. Wildfires. Number 7 is wildfires, uncontrolled fires that ravage forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. Fueled by dry conditions, strong winds, and human activity, wildfires can spread at alarming speeds. The 2018 Camp Fire in California was the state's deadliest, killing 85 people and destroying nearly 19,000 structures. Climate change is making wildfires more frequent and intense, with longer fire seasons and drier landscapes. Smoke from wildfires can also cause widespread health issues, making them a growing global threat.